Picture this. You are sitting in a meeting at work. Your manager looks directly at you and says, "Can you explain your update to the team?" You did the work, you know every detail, but the moment you open your mouth in English, something goes wrong. The words come out broken, the pauses are too long, and you can feel every single person in that room looking at you. That moment right there, that is what Emma and I are fixing today. And by the end of this episode, that moment will never control you again. Welcome to English TalkHub. I am David.
And I am Emma. And David, before we even start, I have to say something.
Go ahead.
This topic is personal for me. Last week, I was introducing myself to a new colleague and I completely froze. I knew what I wanted to say, but in that moment, nothing came out right. So I really need today's episode.
And that is exactly why we are here. Because by the end of this episode, you are going to know the 3 real reasons you sound awkward at work and exactly how to fix each one starting tomorrow morning.
I am ready. Let us go.
Here is the truth that most English courses will never tell you. Sounding awkward at work has nothing to do with your grammar level, nothing to do with how many words you know.
Okay, wait. So you're saying that even someone with good grammar can still sound awkward?
Exactly. Think of it this way. You can know all the rules of cricket perfectly, but if you've never actually held a bat, you will look awkward the moment you step on the field. English speaking is the same. Knowledge is not enough. You need reps.
That actually makes so much sense.
Now here is what is really happening. When most Pakistani and Indian professionals are asked a question at work, their brain runs a 4-step process. Step 1, think the answer in Urdu or Hindi. Step 2, find the English words. Step 3, build the sentence. Step 4, check the grammar. And then finally, speak.
And all of that is happening in like 3 seconds?
3 very painful seconds. And in those 3 seconds, you pause too long, you rush when you finally speak, and filler words like actually and basically and I mean keep falling out. Listen to how this sounds in real life.
David, can you give us a quick update on the client project?
Yes, so actually, the project is basically we finished the main part and, it is almost done.
Almost done? What is left?
Just the final report. We will send it basically by Friday.
Oh no, I have done this. The basically actually trap is so real.
Everyone has done this. But now listen to the same person, same knowledge after learning what we are teaching today.
David, can you give us a quick update on the client project?
Sure. We finished the main work yesterday. The only thing left is the final report, and that goes out by Friday.
Perfect. Thank you.
Same information, completely different feeling.
Confidence is not about knowing more words. It is about trusting the words you already have. Your turn right now. Pause this video, say this line out loud. We finished the main work yesterday. The report goes out by Friday. Say it like you mean it. I will wait. Good. That is your voice. That is enough. Let us keep going.
David, I have to ask, what about when you understand everything, but then someone asks a follow-up question you did not expect? Because I think that is what everyone is thinking right now.
Oh, that is the best question you could have asked, and that is exactly what we are covering next. Do not go anywhere.
Can I tell you something embarrassing?
Always.
Last month, I was on a work call. My manager asked me a question I was not ready for, and instead of saying something calm, I just said, yes, 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 and then went completely silent for 5 seconds. 5 whole seconds, David, on a call with my manager. And then I said, sorry, can you repeat? Even though I had heard everything perfectly, I just needed time to think.
Emma, I am so glad you shared that, because what you just described is actually one of the smartest things you can do. You just did not know the right way to do it yet. Buying time while sounding professional is a real skill. And here is how it works. There are 3 phrases that native English speakers use every single day at work. These phrases buy you thinking time, they make you sound calm, and nobody, not your manager, not your colleague, will ever know you needed a moment.
Okay, what are they?
Phrase 1. When you need time to think, say, "That is a great point. Let me think about that for just a second." Phrase 2. When you did not understand, say, "Could you say that once more? I want to make sure I have it right." Phrase 3. When you are about to explain something, say, "So to put it simply," and then speak.
That last one is genius. It tells your brain, stop overthinking. Just say it simply.
Exactly. Watch how Emma uses all 3 in a real situation.
Okay, office in Lahore. Emma is in a one-on-one meeting with her manager. Emma, what do you think we should do about the delay in the project? There is one mistake that almost every English learner makes in meetings. And the strange thing is, they think it makes them sound smarter.
Oh no. What is it?
Using long, complicated sentences when a short sentence would work better.
Wait. That is me.
That is most people. They think confidence comes from sounding advanced. But in business, clarity beats complexity every single time. Can you show us an example? Absolutely. Watch this. Scene, team meeting. Emma, can you give us a quick update on the project?
Regarding the current status of the project and taking into consideration the circumstances we experienced last week, I would like to inform everyone that substantial progress has been achieved.
Okay. And what does that mean?
Exactly. Nobody knows.
Now watch the same answer again. Emma, can you give us a quick update on the project?
Good news. We fixed the issue and the project is back on schedule.
Perfect. Everyone understands. Short. Clear. Professional. That is what people remember.
Honestly, the second answer sounded much more confident.
Because confidence is not using more words. Confidence is using the right words. Say this sentence out loud. Good news. We fixed the issue and the project is back on schedule. Again, slowly. Good news. We fixed the issue and the project is back on schedule.
That sounds like something I could actually use tomorrow.
Exactly. That is the goal. Not perfect English. Useful English.